You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn this very interesting English word. The spelling makes it confusing, but it's easy once you know. So let's get through. You can replace the EU letters in the middle and replace them with a double O. So spell it S-L-O-O-T-H, which gives you the pronunciation. Sleuth is how you pronounce it. Slew, and then T-H, the th sound with your tongue between your teeth. Sleuth. It's easy, right? Did you get this? Let me know in the comments. Sleuth. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.